Hi everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have an exciting box. I can show you the box. So I just got this huge box in the mail. And this is what was inside. Icon on the bottom. The next box here should be Boxy by Ipsy, and then the glam bag. So these are the May spoilers. Came a little late, but better late than never. So I'm going to put these two aside and let's get into this one. Like I said, I do believe this is the Icon box. Icon is $58 a month, or not a month, $58 a quarter, a season. Beauty products, you get 8 full-size products. You do get to customize 3. Shipping and handling of $1.99. The theme is Let Yourself Bloom. And then this is the Ipsy Creator Incubator, their PR boxes. So their card is, blank, which I'm perfectly fine with. Before I start, I got the Josie Marin liquid lip, and I just have it on today. It's super light, comfortable, not sticky. So I figured I would share that because that was a nice color. I don't know if these are sealed. Yes, they are sealed. I'm excited to get this, to get all 3 of these. I think that's pretty awesome. So, okay. Ugh. A little sneak peek in there. And let's see what we have. And this was Anastasia Beverly Hills is the curator. And these are products, some of her products and products that she likes to use. From Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Brightening Gel Cream. Here. Always happy to have this. Glow Recipe has some nice stuff in their packaging. Oh, look at that packaging. That is adorable. Is it a pump? Yeah, it's a pump. Cute little pump. I don't know anybody that wouldn't love to see that, like, just sitting on their vanity. So cute. It's an eye gel cream. Okay, I don't know if I said that. Next in here from Skin Inc. Supplement Bar Body Sculpt Fit Serum. And I will have to look all these up for prices, because these cards are blank. So this velvety lightweight body serum melts into the skin to help lift, tone, and smooth appearance of uneven skin for a visibly brighter and healthier glow. Well, I'm excited to try that with the summer here. Warmer weather. Let's see what else. Oh, we have another Glow Recipe. Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. This is phenomenal. Oh, I'm happy to have another one. I think I have one of these. This is, I do like the watermelon, and it goes like this. And this is, if I could get that off a spray. So it's a spray bottle. This smells, I'm just going to spray that. Real fine mist. Oh, it smells heavenly. And then you just leave it that upside down on your vanity. Very, very nice. Oh, I'm excited for that too. So that's 3. The 4th item is from MAC Magic Extension 5mm Fiber Mascara. Nice. And I won't be opening this, but that shows you a picture of the wand. I'll show you what the outer packaging looks like. I won't be opening it. I don't know if I'll keep this. I've been sharing the full sizes. This is really nice. I like that. Then it looks like, get that back on. Cannot. So this looks like it came off. So then I have something from J-Lo Beauty. That's not on there. And this is that J-Lo Glow Serum. And that. Nice. It's so hard to read. Tighten and brighten. Pump. Really nice. I'm happy to have this along with the cream. Ooh, I'm excited for that too. So now we have a few products from Anastasia in here. So here we have a stick highlighter, stick illuminator. And this is in bubbly. Open the opposite end. And this is what the packaging looks like. Pretty. It's one end a brush and one end the product. How do we work it? That's the product. I don't know if they give you a brush or not. Yeah. So here's the brush. You know, when you Put it on. You can use this traveling. I wouldn't use it at home, but if you're traveling, that's not bad. And then here is the product. Let's give that a shot. How does this work? Oh, twists up. You guys see that on my hand? Pretty. Once again, give you nice. I like that. And that like has a little bit of a hair, a little bit of a powdery. It does. Ooh, look at that sparkle. I don't know if you can see that on my hand, that shimmer. Pretty. Ooh, I like that. Then here we have a cream bronzer from ABH, and this is in caramel. That might be perfect for me. Bronzers, this one might be a little dark. I don't know. So you can see the tone right there. Packaging looks like this. Ooh, everything in here is phenomenal. Cream bronzer. I'm not going to put my finger in this in case. I'm going to look to see what other tones they have to see if this would be good for me. But this might work as a bronzer because you could put it on and, you know, always blend it out and go easy. Oh, I'm excited for everything so far. The last item that I see in here, oops, I'm just going to put that in the corner, is from ABH, a satin lipstick. And I have Praline. Let's see what you look like. I have a few of her lipsticks. Here's the tube. Oh my goodness, look at that shade. Awesome. Oh yeah. Love it. These are like perfect shades for me. I think pretty wearable for most people. Just like a little pinky neutral. So we have a lipstick from ABH, a bronzer from ABH, and an illuminator stick highlighter from ABH. 2 Glow Recipe products in the Icon box. We have the Body Sculpt Fit Serum, the MAC Extension Full Size Mascara, and then the JLo Glow Serum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products, just as they promised. So I'm going to end right here. And that was the Icon PR box, so kindly gifted to me by Ipsy to share with all of you. Let Yourself Bloom is the theme across the board for their boxes. I will be back tomorrow with these two, with the Glam Bag and the Boxy by Ipsy. Trying to keep my videos a little shorter, a little less talk and all that good stuff. So I'll be back tomorrow with the other 2 boxes. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.